Hey there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 24th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, yes. And this will be a number 1, 9, 2, and 9, yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here. Oh, we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s in the second row, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this column, the last column, so the rest are 1s. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Ooh. Do I need to compare some? Let me see. Ay. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Yeah. Alright. 3 1s in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then I need to compare something. No? Yeah. Let me compare something. Double 1 here. I have. No, I cannot compare this column. How about 1? Sorry, O1, O1. O1, O1, O1. No, I cannot compare columns, so let me compare the rows. O double 1 O. Here we are O double 1 O. The first row and the fourth row. O, empty box. 1, 1, empty box. O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Complete in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku in this edition. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. So prepare for the last Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.